Guys, we've been talking about color a lot lately, and so we're going to go ahead and read this book today, and then we'll do a little drawing, okay? This is called White Rabbit's Color Book. One day, White Rabbit found three big tubs of paint: red, yellow, and blue. These are called my primary colors because with red, yellow, and blue, I can make lots of different colors. Sunshine yellow, she thought. Lovely. A quick dip, and yellow rabbit, bright as the sun. Now, what about red? Thought Rabbit. What's this? Orange rabbit? Look, red and yellow together make orange. Time for a wash, thought Rabbit. Red on its own this time. Splash! Red rabbit, sizzling hot red. How cool blue looks, thought Rabbit. Splash! What's this? Purple rabbit. Look, red and blue together make purple. I'm a very important royal purple rabbit. Princess Purple Rabbit in the shower. Blue will do, thought Rabbit. Blue rabbit, icy cold blue. Brrr. How warm yellow looks, thought Rabbit. What's this? Green rabbit. Look, blue and yellow together make green. Oh dear, no more water. All that's left is a little red paint. Now what will happen, thought Rabbit. Look, green and red together. That's a new experiment. Hooray! Brown rabbit. Lovely warm brown. Blue, yellow, and red together make brown. And brown's just right for me. What a fun book. Isn't it fun to see Rabbit experiment with colors? I like to see her splashing and seeing how the primary colors mix together to get the secondary colors. Today we're going to draw a rabbit, so you need a piece of paper and you need something to draw with, and then you'll need some crayons or markers or something to color with, okay? So we're going to start off by drawing Rabbit. I'm going to start off with a nice Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to kick the table. Okay, a nice big circle for Rabbit's face. Feel free to pause if you need more time. And then I'm going to do ears. I'm going to do one line that curves up there, and then I'm going to do one line that curves up here, and they're going to meet like a point. And I'm going to do that again. Curve, curve, meet like a little point. And I'm going to do that again. Curve, curve, meet like a point. Curve, curve, meet like a point. There goes Rabbit's ears. All right, now let's do Rabbit's eyes. I'm going to do one oval here and one oval here. Okay, and in the book, Rabbit has black eyes with a little white spot. So I'm going to put a little circle in the inside here, and then I'm going to color the rest in black. Little cute rabbit eyes, okay? Now I'm going to make a little V for Rabbit's nose and finish that off with a little curve. And I might color that in. You can color it in now or you can wait till later. And I'm going to do some whiskers. Diagonal, 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 diagonal. Now I need a little diagonal line or vertical, depending on where your nose is exactly, and a little curve for Rabbit's face. There we go, little rabbit. All right, now right next to Rabbit's chin, I'm going to do a nice arch shape. This is almost like an upside down U or like an N shape. And I'm going to put one more in here. Okay, and I'm going to do just a little line that goes across. And these are going to be Rabbit's paws. And I'm going to put some little lines in there. All right, so here's my rabbit. But what did she jump into? She jumped into a paint bucket. So let's do a big rectangle right beneath her paws. And then I'm going to do one diagonal down, two diagonal down, and a curved line on the bottom. And then I'm going to drip that paint. Drip, 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 drip. And maybe a big puddle. Drip, 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 drip. And this is just a curvy oval. All right, and your puddle might look different than mine. Okay, now that I have my rabbit and I have my bucket, I'm going to pick two primary colors. Maybe I'm going to do blue and yellow today. Okay, so if I have a yellow rabbit, I'm I'm going to color in my rabbit nice and yellow. You can color your rabbit yellow, or you can color your rabbit blue, or you can color your rabbit red. You want a nice primary color, blue or yellow or red. You can pick any color you want as long as it's blue, yellow, or red. Those are my primary colors. So I have a nice bright rabbit. Now I'm ready for my secondary color, and you can do blue, or red or yellow, as long as you do a different one. You don't want to do the same one, right? That would be silly. So I'm going to do a blue bucket. So I'm going to do a nice blue bucket, and I'm going to color the blue bucket, but I'm going to be careful not to draw a rabbit and not to draw the drip, right? That'll be the drip. The drip paint will be where it's mixed together. So a nice blue bucket of paint. I'm going to color the whole thing in. Okay, and now yellow plus blue equals green. So I'm going to get my green color out, and I'm going to color in a nice green paint. Now, if I mixed yellow and red, what would I get? Oh, I would get orange. So I'd color an orange paint. And if I mixed red and blue, then I would get purple, and I could color purple paint. So now we have two secondaries, two primaries, yellow and blue. And when you mix them together, you get green. All right. I hope you enjoyed learning about rabbit and thinking about our primary and secondary colors today.